Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, luxury, power, and a silent yet deadly performance. This is the 2025 Audi S8, a car that blends business-class luxury with supercar-level speed. It doesn't scream for attention like an AMG, nor does it flex its muscles like a BMW M. But make no mistake, this executive sedan is an undercover monster. A twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8, 563 horsepower, and a blistering 3.4-second 0 to 60 time, wrapped in a sophisticated body that looks right at home in a billionaire's driveway. But here's the big question: is this the ultimate AMG and BMW killer? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Prime Auto Insights for the latest reviews on the hottest luxury and performance cars. Now, let's get into it. At first glance, the Audi S8 is the definition of restrained aggression. It doesn't scream speed, but its blacked-out single-frame grille, sharper matrix LED headlights, and sleek, sculpted body lines exude a quiet dominance. Unlike the flashy AMG S63 or the bold BMW M760e, the S8 takes the stealth approach, but once you notice the quad exhaust tips, carbon fiber accents, and 21-inch performance wheels, you realize this is no ordinary luxury sedan. One of its coolest party tricks: the Predictive Active Suspension, which literally lifts the car by inches when it detects an obstacle. This means buttery smooth cruising, no matter the road conditions. Step inside, and the Audi S8 is an absolute tech fortress. Every inch screams modern luxury, from the hand-stitched Valcona leather seats to the massive OLED virtual cockpit display. The cabin is packed with next-gen technology, including Audi's MMI infotainment system, customizable ambient lighting, and a 3D Bang Olufsen sound system that will make you feel like you're in a live concert. Rear passengers get the executive treatment with massaging, ventilated, and heated seats, plus an optional rear seat entertainment system. This is where luxury and technology fuse seamlessly. Now, let's talk about what makes this car a true beast in disguise: performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this full-size luxury sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, putting it right in line with the AMG S63 and BMW M760e. But what really sets the S8 apart is its quattro all-wheel drive system. Unlike the rear-biased setups of some competitors, the Audi S8 puts power down effortlessly in any condition. Whether you're launching off the line, carving through corners, or cruising in complete silence, the S8 delivers a flawless driving experience. And here's the kicker: Audi's Predictive Active Suspension doesn't just smooth out rough roads, it actively prepares for bumps and sharp turns. Combine that with dynamic all-wheel steering, and you have a luxury sedan that drives like a sports car yet rides like a Rolls-Royce. Driving the Audi S8 is a surreal experience. In comfort mode, it glides over the road like a private jet. But switch to dynamic mode, and the whole car transforms. The exhaust opens up, the suspension tightens, and suddenly, you're behind the wheel of a performance beast. The best part: it's all wrapped in complete silence, unless you decide to wake up the V8 with that deep, throaty exhaust note. Unlike its AMG and BMW rivals, the Audi S8 is stealthy. No massive wings, no over-the-top aggressive styling, just pure, unfiltered performance in a luxury suit. This makes it the ultimate sleeper performance sedan. Let's talk numbers. The 2025 Audi S8 starts at around $125,000, making it significantly cheaper than the AMG S63 and BMW M760e. Yet, it delivers nearly identical power and performance, all while maintaining Audi's signature refinement and understated class. For those who want a high-performance luxury sedan without the flash, the S8 is the smartest choice. It's a car that doesn't need to shout, it lets its power do the talking. So, is the 2025 Audi S8 the ultimate luxury performance sedan? If you're looking for a business-class luxury car that can keep up with sports cars, this is it. It's the perfect fusion of sophistication and raw power, making it one of the most underrated yet powerful sedans of 2025. What do you think? Is the Audi S8 the real AMG and BMW killer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you made it this far, you clearly love performance cars. So, why not join the Prime Auto Insights community? Hit that subscribe button, and don't miss our next insane car review.